people that have well water sometimes get a sulfur or rotten egg smell in their water, and that is because the well water is reacting with the anode rod that's in the water heater. So every water heater, tank style water heater, has an anode rod that sits down in the tank, and that anode rod protects the tank and extends its life. Well, when you get that sulfur smell, it's because the water is reacting with that anode rod. So what can be done about it? Number one, we can change the anode rod to a rod of a different material that prevents or limits that rotten egg smell. Something we also do quite a bit is to bleach the bleach the water heater while we have the anode rod out, and that kills any remaining smell or bacteria that's in there. Now, what we don't recommend is cutting out the anode rod altogether. So a lot of people will say, well, what if I just take the anode rod out or cut it off? The problem with that is that it voids the warranty on the water heater, which we don't want that to happen. So our recommendation is usually to change the anode rod to a different type of metal, one that doesn't react with well water. And that's something we do quite a bit.